So we only have 90 baht left, and we were really trying not to get more cash out at the ATM because we're leaving today. So for 80 baht, we get toast and a Coke. Today is our final day in Thailand, and we have a long travel day ahead. That starts with a minibus from Khao Sok National Park, where we are now, to Surat Thani, where we are flying out and heading to our 5th country. And we're off. 8 minutes ahead of schedule.
We've spent the last 3 weeks in Thailand. It started with several great days in Chiang Mai.
Don't eat too much, burn your ass.
Taste test. What's the verdict? It's really fun to just be in the jungle and watching them feed. Apparently they eat 19 hours a day.
This may be my new favorite hike ever.
Down we go.
We were told it would only take 2 hours to get to the airport, but based on our experience on the way here and the 15 stops we made, I'm a little skeptical. We are about 10 minutes in and on stop number 4.
Made it.
A lot faster than on the way out to the park. So we only have 90 baht left, and we were really trying not to get more cash out at the ATM because we're leaving today. So for 80 baht, we get toast and a Coke. Perfectly buttered and jelly?
Jammed?
Jammed? Chiang Mai was a great introduction into northern Thailand, and from there we rented a car and drove 6 days along the Mae Hong Son Loop. I read that there are 762 turns between now and when we get to Pai, so here we go. So there's no more stairs. I guess if we want to keep going down the waterfall, we have to just go down the waterfall.
You're going less than 20 kilometers an hour.
You got this, girl. That's like me going up the stairs in the cave. It says to turn right, but I don't think that we want to do that. We think he's our guy. Kapunka. Bye. Thank you.
Welcome to my homestay.
Hi.
Hey. He's leading the way. Oh wow, she's good.
We had really high expectations for northern Thailand, and our time on the Mae Hong Son Loop had to be our favorite part of our 3 weeks here. We really got off the beaten track and feel like we had some truly authentic experiences.
We have about a 5.5 hour layover here in Bangkok. Used to, this would be something I was less than thrilled about. But now, with free lounge access, a long layover is something I really look forward to. It just keeps getting better. After we finished the Mae Hong Son Loop, we took an overnight bus from Chiang Mai to Bangkok, where we spent about 24 hours before getting on yet another overnight bus to Surat Thani. We were trying to get down to the islands as quickly as possible, and then we spent 4 amazing days on Koh Samui doing absolutely nothing except hanging out by the beach and the pool.
We did get a little stir crazy after relaxing by the beach for a few days, so we made a last minute decision to head to Khao Sok National Park, where we got to stay in a bungalow on what had to be one of the most beautiful lakes we had ever seen. This really is incredible. floating room is very level.
I just took a cold shower and now I'm trying to dry off with what's left of the sun. Definitely outstayed our 3 hours there. We had an incredible 3 weeks in Thailand. We are sad to leave, but very excited to be headed to our 5th country of Vietnam. We will be landing in Hanoi in just a couple of hours.